Alright, I'm going to race through these questions pretty quickly. We're multiplying, so we add 9 plus 5, 14. Oh yeah, I'm only doing every second, aren't I? Okay. 6 plus minus 6, 0. Anything to the 0, 1. 5 plus minus 5, 0. Anything to the 0, 1. 8 take 3, 5. 8 plus minus 8, 0. Anything to 0, 1. 10 take negative 2, 12. 1 take 12, negative 11. You multiply 5 times 3, 15. And I'm going to add these, so negative 2 plus negative 2 plus negative 2, negative 6. Multiply, negative 28. Leaving in index form so we don't put them in brackets, in fractions if they're negative. Expand the brackets for each one. Again, only doing every second question. So this makes it 3 squared x squared because you multiply everything in the bracket. You expand everything. So that's 9x squared. Okay, this is 2 to the 6 c to the 6 because you do it to everything in the brackets. So that's 64 c to the 6. So that's 7 squared x squared y squared z squared. So that's 49x squared y squared z squared. Okay, here I know it's a fraction, but it's the same deal, do it to everything. So this is 3 squared over x squared, so it's 9 over x squared. This one, I know it's brackets, but you do it to everything. So 7 squared a squared on 5 squared, 49 a squared on 25. Alright, this time we want to write them without negative indices or brackets. So, to get rid of the negative, you put it to the bottom of a fraction and it changes to plus 1. So that's just 1 on 9. This one, to change it from a negative, you take it to the bottom of the fraction, it becomes positive 2. This one, it's still minus, and this is like having minus 1. So the minus 1 is on top and becomes a to the 4. So this minus 1 went here. Or the minus could have gone out the front. Okay, the whole lot wants to go on the bottom. So this is 1 over 7x to the 1, which is just 1 over 7x. Okay, the minus 9 wants to stay where it is. It's only the x that's being moved down. And here the 3 stays where it is. It's only the a that moves down. Otherwise it'd have brackets, like e had brackets. Okay. Again, every second. So the hard bit here is turning it into a fraction. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1, 3 over 2 to the negative 1. Turn it upside down to get rid of the negative, which is just 2/3. Okay, this is 5 over 2 to the minus 2. Turn it upside down to get rid of the negative. And now apply the squared to both of them, which means it's 4 over 25. 0.2 is the same as 2/10, so 1/5 to the minus 1. To get rid of the minus, we turn it upside down, which means it's just 5. And 2.5 is 5 over 2 to the negative 2, so we have to turn it upside down, 2/5 to the positive 2. And now we're squaring both of them, so that's 4 on 25.